Hi, thank you for tuning in to Amy's Crafts and Things. I'm Amy. Today in PE Design 11, I'd like to show you how I created a embroidery design for a gift tag, but I want to take that gift tag and personalize it for several different people. And it will create the personalization in one shot. Here's how I do that. I'm going to go up to the text, click on the big A, click where I'd like to place my name, click enter, resize it to where I like it, and then I'm going to go over to the right of your screen where you have the text attributes box, and you're going to check on transform. That will allow you to open up the different ways you can format your text. I'm going to keep mine at the arc. You'll click on the name box feature and click on the name drop list. You can go here and enter in your names that you wish to use. Just enter in a few. And once you have created your list, if you feel like you need to make changes to any of them, you can go up and click on one. You can edit the text and change the name. You can insert a name, and it will move all the other names down just one spot, so you can add a name. And you can even delete a name, and it will move everything up. If you wish to save your name list for future use, go over to your upper right portion of your screen where it says Save as CSV. Go ahead and click on that, and then you can name your list. Name list 3, and click Save. After you have created your list and after you have saved it, you can go down to the lower portion of your screen where it says To Folder. This is where you're going to save all of your gift tags. We will call this Gift Tags 1. And this will save a gift tag with a name, and it will save them in a chronological order. For example, it will say Gift Tags 1, Gift Tags 2, Gift Tags 3. Let me show you. We'll click on OK. It will output all of our designs. Click OK, and then click OK. Now to find all of our personalized gift tags, we will go to the blue flower, click on Open, go to our libraries, go to Documents, find PE Design 11, and here's all your gift tags. They're all here. I'll just click on them and you can see they're all there, so that you can embroider them. I'm not going to save that one because it's already saved. And there you go. If you wish to use a list that you have saved previously, let's change Jill. We will delete her. We will click on our text tool, click on the A. Add our name. I guess we didn't need to get rid of Jill, but this is okay. Go here on your lower right portion of your screen to name drop list. Click on that. Click on import CSV. And here's where we can find our list that we created. Then you would go to Folder and you would resave it. And that's how you use the name drop feature. Thank you for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you next time. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to be notified when new videos are posted. I will list my contact information in the description below. Please check out my social media links and give it a like and a share there as well. And if you would be so kind as to comment and show me the pictures of your designs that you create as a result of this tutorial, I would greatly appreciate it. Have a good day. May your bobbin always be full.